What do you do if you see a sharp looking wheelchair with a handsome bald guy rolling around in Eagle Rock, the neighborhood, usually just across the street to get some groceries? Well, you ask us for a nice portfolio card. A photo card is all it is. Much better than those paper business cards you might see. And yeah, you got the links to 27,000 graphic art photos that will make for some very good chest imagery if you want to wear them. And of course, you don't have to wear them. You can put them on your tabletop, on your desktop, on your nightstand. Ask us for a card. Follow the links. I'm Milton. Would you like some nice skyline imagery for your desk, for your nightstand, for your tabletop? These are all 4x6 photos designed by me, Milton. Just follow the links on a lot of these images, like Christ Complex 2.wixsite.com/daffodilly, or just plain daffodilly.blogspot.com. Or if you need the links, you see Golden Me out on Eagle Rock Boulevard there. Ask us, we'll give you the links. Go to the sites, download some imagery, and have some company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. Tabletop art, skyline imagery, flower imagery. Go to meltonpage.blogspot.com, Daffodilly as well there, .blogspot.com, or any of my YouTubes, including youtube.com/meltonforimagery. And yeah, follow the links. You're going to find 27,000 plus of these things. Remember when you hear that siren? 911 flight 93 checking post and 5. I've been asking for 93 checks. You'll find that imagery in that 27,000 as well. Print me out as 4x6 photos, and yes, with the big 5s or other 93 check, hand them to your friends. Tell them. Make a video of your hijack call to Melton. Post. Those still in our calls to them are word enough about that to alter phone records. Get it on video. Melton's tabletop art. All of these are 4x6 photos, except for the handsome bald guy here. He's a 5x5. He's not with the rest in the 27,000 plus examples of my graphic art prepared as 4x6 photos. Oh, find them right there at Melton for Imagery. Follow the links top of the YouTube there. Also Melton page, the blog spot there. Print me out, laminate, last longer. Put a couple of paper clips in the back there. Oh, I wear my imagery. But you can just put it on your shelf. Right there by your nightstand. Melton's tabletop art. I'm Melton. Print me out. I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. Yeah, find 27,000 plus. Oh, not this one. It's a 5x5, I think. And it's a Melton page there. 27,000 examples of my graphic art, and not the poster either. And print me out. I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. Come see me in person to be in this imagery, because you're going to try to call me. 424-229-4140. You want to see the devil stealing your car? So come see Melton in person to bring this image. Melton's Tabletop Art. Find it at Daffodilia there, my portfolio site. Also follow the links on my YouTube, like youtube.com/DNFD series, and you're going to find, this is not a 4x6 photo. Handsome ball guy, but not a 4x6 photo. You'll find a whole lot, 27,000. You might find it as a 4x6 photo. And that set of 27,000, you're going to find it at meltonpage.blogspot.com. Follow the links, you'll find a Flickr, you will find a Google Drive. Download, up over 8 gigabytes, I think. Find what you like, print it out. And come see the handsome ball guy in person. If you want to be in Melton's image, because you're going to try to call me, 424-229-4140, you can see the devil. See me in person.